So guys, yes, I mean, we are here to ensure that all the HSE aspects have been identified during the construction phase and have been satisfied accordingly. This is just to give the confidence to management. Yes, now we are okay. There is no problem. So guys, we are starting with objective number 1. We are saying that confirm that actions from phase 3, detail engineering design stage have been closed or are being addressed. There are 4 to 5 prompts are there. We'll go one by one. The first prompt saying that reserve review status of actions on findings of phase 3. So our project, I mean, we have not done the phase 3 because it was not required. So I would say here, Paris not applicable or phase 3 was not.
No, you can say the project is related to early work where detail engineering stage is not applicable. Actually, we have not done detail engineering because this is early work, civil work. So we are not doing any permanent installation here. Number 2, early civil work.
Early civil work.
And detail engineering is not applicable. I think they can confirm, right? Nothing that we don't have any document drawing earlier. We have not done any engineering work before.
No,
right?
nothing. Only
just we have been given the site and we have been given the task that you have to do these activities as per site. Yeah,
exactly.
But if you see the scope says that first line is design and engineering. What does it mean?
Design engineering purpose is actually only design is related to the fence. I think there is only permanent installation what they have. I don't think they have any other permanent installation at site which can require a design. Please correct me if I'm
exactly. Exactly. Yeah. Other works we have only backfilling, cutting and backfilling.
So only design is related to, if you want, Chairman, you can say the scope early work and detail engineering is limited to design of, maybe if you say engineering is related to design of the fence, permanent fence. There is no other engineering activity involved here.
No, and no intensive.
No, maybe you can say engineering is limited to permanent fence only.
Yeah, Walid, you can add if anything there.
Sorry.
No, our senior construction engineer Walid is in the meeting. I was asking for his inputs.
Walid? Mr. Walid? Chairman, instead of no designing, you can say an engineer